guys, welcome back to my channel Creativity Far. Today in this video I'll show you a best out of waste DIY handmade purse which we have made from an old wedding invitation card. So let's get to the video. So guys, as you can see, in this purse we can keep all our accessories, our phones and our hankies. It can hold many weight. Much weight it can hold. So let's get started. First of all, we will need 2 white sheets, a wedding invitation card, a punching machine, some colorful threads, glue and scissors, pencil eraser scale, and of course some colorful beads. So let's get started. First of all, we will need a wedding invitation card. We will take it and open it. As you can see, whenever we open a wedding invitation card, it has 2 pages inside it. So first of all, we have to paste these 2 pages together with glue. As you guys can see, now these have been glued, and now we have to cut off the excess one. You have to cut the excess part. Now you will open it and these are glued together. Now we will take those white sheets and fold in fan style. Like the ways you make fan, you have to fold it like this way. So guys, as you can see, we have to also made it with the another one, and as you can see, these it how it look like. You have to make 2. Now we will take the card and paste it on one side of the card. We have to cut off the excess. We have to paste it on both sides of the card. I am taking a white sheet. You can take any sheet of your choice and pair it up with the card. You can take any matching card color sheet. Now as you can see, we have pasted the board, and we have to also paste it from the upper side. So guys, as you can see, it looks something like this. So now we have to take the punching machine and punch 2 holes on both the side of the sheet. Now we will take some threads, colorful threads, and pair it out of the 2 holes that we have done. we have to do it from both the sides. So it looks something like this. Now we have to close it. So for closing, we will use glue and we will take 2 magnets and paste it on both the sides of our card so that it can be closed. So guys, our magnets has been placed, and now as you know, the power of our magnets is very high and we also need to protect those strings. So we will cut 2 strips from white sheets and paste it to protect our lining. We will paste it to protect our magnet and lining so that it will last forever. We will cut it as our need. So now we will paste it. You can take super glue or glue as your choice. So guys, as you can see, now we will have applied glue and now we will paste it on the lining to protect it. Guys, this is the must step, as from this our clutch will last longer. Now as you can see, these are been glued, and now we will also do it on the other side. Now both the sides are being protected, and as you can see, now our magnets have not much power, and just now we have to decorate our clutch with these beads. First of all, we will take this kind of a square paper and then simply we have decorated it from the beads. So guys, this is how we can put anything in our bag, our phone, our hankies and our daily accessories. Please comment me in the comment section, how do you like our card? So guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos, and also hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.